draw a walrus. Its Latin name, Odobenus rosmarus, means tooth-walking seahorse. It is found living in herds in the cold Arctic, where blubber protects them from freezing. Their superpower is self-inflating flotation. They have 2 air sacs in their neck that help them to float. They also help them make sounds called chiming and booming. Start with the face and add a nose. Now for some eyes. Let's add some dots. Nice. All the way down. Now a flipper. Around and back. And another flipper. Around and back. All the way across. And stop. And another flipper, down and around. Up and over. And one more flipper. Back to the head. Up and over. All the way down. And join. A proper walrus needs big tusks and some whiskers. Well done.